Students, let us understand the next part of chapter banking and money under macroeconomics. So, in the previous video, we learned about quantitative instrument of money supply. These are bank rate, open market operation, repo rate, reverse repo rate, cash reserve ratio, statutory liquidity ratio. We learned about these. Now the next question is qualitative instruments of money supply. These are margin requirement, rationing of credit, moral suasion. These instruments instabilize the economy. So while using these instruments, government and banking system should be very careful. So first of all, I will explain margin requirement. Margin requirement, it refers to the difference between the current value of security offered for loan and the value of loan granted. What does it mean? हम कितना सिक्योरिटी दे रहे हैं, हाउ मच सिक्योरिटी वी आर प्लेजिंग कोलैटरल बेसिस, उस सिक्योरिटी के अगेंस्ट में बैंक हमें कितना लोन देगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, मैंने प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड रखा, it worth rupees 1 crore, and according to the bank's experience or bank's norms, we will get 80 lakh rupees. So margin is 20 lakh. Margin is 20 lakh. And what does it impact on inflation and deflation? If question of 3 marks, then write 3 lines. If question of 1 mark, write only first line. That is enough. And give example. So, a rise in margin requirement implies fall in demand. अगर मार्जिन 1 करोड़ के पीछे 80 लाख था, अगर 60 लाख देंगे, 40 लाख मार्जिन हुआ, 60 लाख लोन देंगे, तो बोरोर के पास जिसने लोन लेना है उसके पास कम मनी आएगी. So it will rise in margin implies fall in demand. तो बाजार में वो कम सामान खरीदेगा, goods and services for credit. So fall in money supply. Hence inflation is controlled. क्योंकि वो ज्यादा खर्च नहीं कर सकता, उसके पास रुपया नहीं है. On the other hand, a fall in margin requirement implies a rise in demand. अगर 1 करोड़ के बदले 90 लाख लोन दे देता है बैंक, पहले 80 लाख दे रहा था, it was there is a margin of 10 lakh, so it means fall in margin, rise in demand, credit supply increase. So rise in money supply, hence deflation is controlled. So this is the main margin requirement, how to control inflation and deflation in the banking system. Under rationing of credit, credit कैसे देना है? It refers, first of all, meaning. It refers to fixation of credit quota for different business activities. Different business activities according to the government priority. Government has to provide loan for some business activity, and in other maybe less loan. So introduction of credit rationing decreases the supply of money. So inflation is controlled. On the other hand, withdrawal of credit rationing increases the supply of money. So deflation is controlled. At the end, the third one is moral suasion. It is advised to commercial bank को advise persuasion and pressure policy है. It is advised to commercial banks by keeping the RBI to follow its directions. RBI का order है, advice से पहले फिर order है कि मेरी direction मानो, because RBI has to maintain the monetary balance. The banks are advised to restrict loans during inflation. जब inflation है तो लोन कम से कम दो, और liberal in lending during deflation, ज्यादा से ज्यादा उधार दो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोन दो during deflation. So moral suasion is a combination. Be careful, please be noted. It is a combination of both persuasion and pressure by the RBI. So this is very important at the end. Sometimes the question may ask, Moral suasion bucks both qualitative and quantitative instruments of money supply. कभी कभी पूछ लेते हैं कि moral suasion qualitative instrument का part है जब quantitative, it is both qualitative as well as quantitative instrument of money supply, but normally it is a qualitative instrument of money supply. So these are the instrument of qualitative instrument of money supply: margin requirement, rationing of credit, moral suasion. Also we can use the word selective credit control. These under selective credit control, these are the three you can explain. So in this question what we did, first definition, then inflation कैसे control करना है, deflation. On the other hand, inflation and deflation, increase and decrease, rise and fall, withdrawal and injection, introduction and withdrawal. And similarly, banks are advised to stick loans and liberal in lending. So thank you बेटा. मैं एक एक क्वेश्चन ही आपको कराने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, एक या दो, बड़े ध्यान से समझना. If you are satisfied, you must do message to me. Thank you बेटा. Thank you.